Hey guys, my name is Michael, and on this channel I talk about life as a professional artist. Today we're going to talk about something that's really passionate. Hey guys, my name is Michael, and on this channel we talk about life as a professional artist. Today we're going to talk about something that I'm really passionate about, and that's where people spend their energy trying to become better artists, and the idea that can you teach art, can you not teach art? And so I think the biggest thing is people go and they spend all of their time learning skills. This could be learning to draw, learning how to use a camera, learning how to edit or illustrate, or carve marble or sew. And yes, those things are really important, but they're not going to make you a good artist. People take photographs every single day and they're not art. People sew every single day and it's not art. People paint every single day and it's not art. What makes something art is taste. And so a lot of people say that you simply cannot teach art. And that's kind of true, but I think most of the time people teach the wrong things. People teach skills. Like if you look up, on YouTube, for example, how to be a better painter, everyone's going to teach you this is how you mix your blacks, this is how you prepare your paints, this is how you do everything like that. If you look up a photographer, they're going to say these are the settings that you need to use on your cameras, this is the gear that you should buy. But no one's actually going to talk about why are you photographing that, why does it matter, why should the people looking at it matter. If you're going to print it, what does the experience of looking at the work printed do to you? No one ever talks about that. And so people think that you can't teach art because they teach the wrong things. They teach something that's not art. What makes something art really is taste. And so having good taste is more valuable and what will make you a better artist. So how do you get good taste? You get good taste by going to exhibitions, going to galleries, reading art books, and getting involved with contemporary art. So a lot of times people go and they dismiss artwork because they don't like it or they don't understand it. And I think that it's your responsibility as an artist, if you are serious about being a real artist, there should not be a single work of art on this earth that you are not capable of understanding. And so if you are serious about being an artist, you need to go understand that work. You might not like it, you might not disagree, you might not agree with it, you might think that the person who's doing it is a bad person. I don't care. But you should understand it and you should be able to appreciate it for what the artist is trying to do. There are so many crazy examples of art that I don't like, but I understand what they're trying to do. And so that's really the biggest thing, guys. Spend your time investing, get off YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, of course, because I'm actually going to teach you, the things that other YouTubers aren't going to teach you. But get off YouTube and go to real shows and talk to real artists. Watch artist interviews with people that you admire. And ask yourself, find the big name artists, the people that sell their work for millions of dollars, and figure out why their work is valuable. So that's my tip to you today, guys. I know that that's not something that a lot of people want to hear, and it's simply the hard labor of work is having good taste and making something in good taste. And what makes something good taste is so relative and so tricky, and it's why making good art is so difficult. Thank you so much. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell on the bottom there. I put out new videos every week. I hope you have a wonderful day.